How to remove Instagram followers all at once. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way to remove all of your followers at once. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button to the channel. Let's begin. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Instagram and head over to your profile section, and you will see the list of all of your followers. Now, once you get here, in order to remove them, you have to manually remove them like this. So if you don't want to do this to all of your followers, then what you can do is go ahead and search for app on the Play Store. You can just search for an app, Auto Clicker, and just go ahead and search for this app, install this application right here. Now once the application has been installed, you can just open up the app and allow all of these permissions. So go ahead and tap on OK and allow these permissions from here. Now on the installed app, you can just tap on Auto Clicker and turn this one on and allow this. You can also allow the accessibility shortcut for the Auto Clicker. Now just go back to your app and enable all of these settings. So you will find this little click icon right here. Now what you need to do is turn on the multi-target mode. Go ahead and enable this and you'll find the control panel on the left side of your screen. Go to your Instagram now, and then from here you're going to just add a clicker on the button. So just that will be on this remove button right here. And then once you press remove, you are just going to add another one. So you just have to tap on the plus icon again and set the second button right here. Now you have to set the time interval to around 2 seconds. So go ahead and tap on 2 seconds here. Set this to 2 seconds, tap on OK, and do the same for this one. Set this to 2 seconds, and then tap on OK. Now you're just going to tap on play, and then it will start tapping the button. Now make sure that on your settings you set this to run indefinitely. Tap on save and start playing again. And as you can see here, now the follower has been removed. So you can keep playing this and it will start removing your followers automatically. And once you are done, you should be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one.